hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is something so incredibly exciting, and no, the title is not clickbait. I have somehow managed to get JACLYN Forbes to do my LUSH haul, and the reason this video came about was because I have filmed you guys doing my LUSH haul, Ryan doing my LUSH haul, my friend Lola doing my LUSH haul, and I love filming those videos so much that I thought I need to get more people doing my LUSH haul for me. And I thought, who is the queen of LUSH on YouTube? JACLYN Forbes. So I messaged her on Instagram a few weeks ago on the 5th of August, and I said, hello, not sure if you ever see this, but I'm a LUSH YouTuber and I was wondering if you could pick 5 to 10 items for me to buy for a video. Basically she replied within minutes, which was unbelievable, so thankful, and she gave me a list of things to buy. So yeah, I went and bought them all and I am going to be hauling them. So thank you, JACLYN, if you ever see this video. So thankful. Everything you picked I love, so it was basically an excuse to treat myself. But yes. So without further ado, I'm going to jump into this video. I really hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So JACLYN actually picked out 7 items. All 7 I have purchased and are in this bag. So without further ado, I'm going to dive in. Let's pick the first item because I'm very excited. Let's not look at the receipt, don't need that, let's be honest. So the first item that she picked out for me is the Candy Rain Conditioner. I actually have another bottle of this which I'm still yet to try. However, I've heard brilliant things about this. I know that she loves this. I've watched a few of her videos recently and I know that she really likes this. So inside this one we have cashew cream, Brazil nut milk, coconut cream, macadamia nut milk, extra virgin coconut oil, macadamia nut oil, Brazil nut oil, rainwater, buchu oil, tonka absolute, cocoa absolute, almond essential oils. And I can't really remember what this smells like, so I'm gonna have to have another smell of it. Oh, that smells really good. It's a very thick texture, like very thick, which I love because for me, things like Veganese and American Cream, I love them both, but they're just not enough for my hair. Like my hair needs a bit more. But that smells absolutely delish. So good. Absolute yum. 10 out of 10. Cannot wait to use that. The next item she picked out is the Happy Hippie shower gel. I didn't buy a massive bottle of this. I have a lot of shower gel in my collection. I don't really need any more, I'm not gonna lie. Ingredients wise, this one has fresh pink grapefruit juice, grapefruit water, grapefruit oil, bergamot oil, and frankincense oil. So let's have a smell of this. I have used this before a very long time ago. Yeah, that's beautiful. Oh, so good. It's so citrusy and like fresh. It's a really lovely smell. Honestly, I absolutely love this. I don't know why I really never use it. It's not one that I always gravitate towards. I think it's just because it's been an all year round one there for a long time and I don't know. I know that if it ever got discontinued I probably would be gutted, but that smells unreal. So fresh, so crisp. Yum, love that. The next item is a face mask, and you guys know I love a good face mask. I have recently started doing the Fresh and Flowers boxes where you get a fresh face mask every month, which is really fun and really great to try new things. But as you guys know, I am really keen on the 3 non-fresh ones, so Beauty Sleep, Mask of Mag, and Cup of Coffee, which was on the list, and I'm so happy it was on the list because I love this face mask more than life itself. Honestly, this is one of my absolute ride or die products. I love it so much, and I'm gonna smell it because even though I know exactly what it smells like, I am going to smell it again. It just smells, oh, it smells so good. To me it smells like coffee and chocolate. I don't know if you guys get that smell, but it's a very strong coffee sweet smell and I absolutely love it. If you don't like coffee, it's probably not one for you, but if you love coffee and you love a really nice invigorating scrubby face mask, you will love this. I know that the Body Shop do one that's very similar scent, very similar texture. I do prefer this one though. The Body Shop one is more sticky and it's just not my vibe. I love this one so much, and ingredients wise I will go through them. So we have agave syrup, kaolin, coffee infusion, talc, ground coffee, bentone gel, whatever that is, vetiver oil, roasted cocoa extract, coriander seed oil, and caffeine powder, and vanilla absolute. So it just smells like a really beautiful vanilla latte, and I love it so much. I honestly cannot recommend this face mask enough. I'm going to stop rambling on about it because we have about 5 or 4 more products to go through, but this is just amazing, so good. Thank you, JACLYN. 10 out of 10. The next item, when I saw this on the list, I was a little bit hesitant because I was like, oh god, I don't need any more body spray. Body sprays are quite expensive. But to be honest with you guys, it's one of my all-time favourite scents and I couldn't say no, and that is the Lord of Mistral body spray. Now, Lord of Mistral, you guys know, it's one of my all-time favourite smells of all time ever. I love the perfume. I have 2 solid perfumes. I have a 30ml perfume, a 100ml perfume. I have about 3 bath bombs left from my absolute massive hoard that I had, and I love the body spray too. It smells absolutely incredible. It smells like, I can't even describe it, but it's patchouli, black pepper and vanilla, all of which together sound like it would smell really disgusting, but honestly it just smells like Christmas at Lush, and it makes me miss working there so much. I love this smell. It's just delicious. Like, if you want a good body spray that's gonna smell like warm winter autumnal vibes, this is it, and it's just delicious and I absolutely love it. So obviously, as you guys know, the body sprays are relatively expensive. They do range from 20 to 30 odd pounds, which is quite a lot of money, but they do smell absolutely incredible, and 10 out of 10. Lord of Mistral is just, will always be one of my favourite scents ever, and if it ever gets discontinued, I think I would cry. So yeah. The next item is a body scrub. Now, I actually haven't used this particular one in a long time, only because I tend to go for scrubby over this one because I do prefer the smell. However, she did tell me to pick up a Buffy bar. Now, I have used these quite a few times before. When scrubby didn't exist, this was my go-to scrub, and honestly, I have missed using this. Like, the smell is so nostalgic to me. It just smells like what it was like working at Lush before Scrubby came out, and that was like in my prime, and I love it. But this is a beautiful, rich, oily, buttery scrub, similar to Scrubby in that essentially it will moisturise and scrub your body at the same time. It doesn't smell as good as Scrubby, but it does still smell good. And it's called Buffy, and I love Buffy the Vampire Slayer, so it kind of gets extra points for that, not gonna lie. And the last 2 items are both bath items, and I'm not gonna lie to you, I haven't gone and bought all year round bath products in a really long time. These 2 products, one of them was the first ever bath bomb I bought myself from Lush, and the other one is definitely a really good item as well, but I haven't used either of them in a long time, so I'm so excited. I'm gonna start off with the bath bomb, and that bath bomb is the Dragon's Egg, which is one of my absolute favourites. Obviously, as you guys know, the bath bombs have had a little revamp recently, so they look completely different. In terms of ingredients, the Dragon's Egg has lemon oil, bergamot oil, jasmine absolute, poppin candy, gardenia extract, and some other bits and pieces, but essentially it has poppin candy, confetti, and gold glitter inside, and it smells absolutely incredible. And I'm just going to get it out so you guys can see. Ta-da! I don't know if you guys can see because of my lights, it's probably washing out a little bit, but essentially it's a white bath bomb. It has bits of confetti all around, it says Lush on the top, has gold glitter inside, and it just smells delicious. It smells like lemon sherbet. It's so good. I am going to pop this back in the bag though because I don't want to get bath bomb dust all over my black trousers because that would just be annoying. But yeah, 10 out of 10. One of my all-time favourite bath bombs. It's definitely underrated. Like, I always tend to go for things that are limited edition or like Twilight and stuff like that, but Dragon's Egg is a classic. Cannot go wrong with the Dragon's Egg. And last but definitely not least is a bubble bar, and this is the Bright Side bubble bar. Now, again, I haven't had Bright Side in ages. When I have Bright Side, I do tend to mix it with the Comforter because it's just the most beautiful bath cocktail in the world. If you haven't tried it, try it. It's so good. This one has cream of tartar, Sicilian red mandarin oil, tangerine oil, and bergamot oil inside. And I am going to open it, obviously, so you guys can see, but I'm going to have to rip the label, aren't I? Because it's, oh. Yeah, we've ripped the label, but that's okay. This is what she looks like. Oh, she just smells like fresh orange. Like, like orange squash, like pure orange. It's so, so good. I tried to pick like the best looking one, but all of them in there kind of had like this weird egg shape, but oh, so good. I do prefer the comforter if I'm using them on their own, but Brightside is such a good one to mix with everything else. It's so good. So yeah, delicious. Love that. So that is everything for this Lush haul. Thank you so much, Jaclyn, if you're watching this. I don't know if you will be, but if you are, thank you so much for picking these items. I love everything. And you've definitely stocked me up with a few of my favourites. So thank you so much for taking part. If you guys enjoyed this video, obviously don't forget to subscribe. It would absolutely make my day to hit 10,000 subscribers. We are slowly on our way, so if you haven't already subscribed, please, please do. I will love you forever and I would really appreciate it. So yes, I'm going to go now. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you guys so much and I'll see you very soon. Bye guys.